Greetings, friends. I hope you've heard this nice. Yesterday, we were looking at the Tkinter module widgets. So we've so far looked at the following widgets. I'm going to open code to have everything demonstrated clearly. And before I open code, okay, remember that we created a folder yesterday. So I think this lesson will not be a big deal. So we'll open code and then you see what's going on. Our files are here, and this is the window that we created before. So we already did the widgets, the following widgets. We looked at entries. We also looked at frames. We also looked at labels. In our today's tutorial, we are going to look at text widget. And as I said, text widget, it allows you to enter long text. And when you're talking about long text, there are things like e.g., descriptions, comments, and sometimes observation on something. So let me take you through the process of creating. That is a text widget. So to create a text widget, I'm going to create a variable which we call it, let's say, comment. Comment equals to tk dot text tk.text, and then for that one we have to specify the following. So we can have maybe some information like okay, where do you want to place it? Let me place it inside the frame. Remember, we created the frame yesterday, and then I want to put some fonts uh, here, so you can just type it and okay, put it here. Just put a comma and then you type the information there. Then before that, it's always a good thing to put a label so that at least people can see what's happening. So you just have comment label equals to tk dot label into brackets. I want my label to be inside the frame, and then comma the text equals to uh, enter your comments. Then from there, maybe we can put some font for consistency, and then don't forget to pack the comment label dot pack. Then don't also forget to pack the comment dot pack. And guys, when you save using Control S, this is what you'll see. This is what will appear. Enter your comments. Okay, yeah. So there's nothing. Enter your comments. There's a label there. But anyway, so where is that comment label dot pack? Then comment dot pack. This is the text one. Where was it packed? This is not showing me. Oh, okay. It's here. It's here. I can enter a very long text. For example, maybe once upon a time, I tried learning coding my way. It was tough. You can see you can enter a very long text over here, and then you can see that this comment, this text field, you can see the number of lines you can go. You can create infinite lines unless you specify. Then you see it's not inside the window, it's actually inside the this frame that we are having here. That is it. That is how we create text. Let me go ahead and show you how to create some other buttons. For example, a spin box. How do you create a spin box? Spin boxes. So to create a spin box, I'm going to have maybe something like age. I don't want people to enter the age, but I just want to use a spin box to enter the age. So to do that, I'll create a label for age. Age label equals to tk dot label into bracket. I want to put the label inside the frame, or let me this time let me put it inside the window. Then text equals to enter your age, and then I can put those fonts. Please remember the syntax is very important. And then now for the age spin box, what you do, you just say tk dot spin box, tk dot spin box. Place the spin box inside the window, comma. You can specify from, maybe you want to limit the age from 18 years. So you just frame underscore, then 18, then comma, to maybe 35. And then pack all of them. So age label dot pack, and then we also have age spinbox dot pack. So this is what is happening. It's down there, so maybe I will limit the size of this text. Let me say maybe the height of, let's say, 10. Let me see. Yeah, okay, let me reduce the height further. Let me put the height of 5 pixels high. Okay, this is the default height. So you can see our spin box is here. It's inside the window spin box. The window is not inside the frame, it's inside the window. So you can see that. So it starts, the minimum value you can scroll from there is 18. It cannot go below 18, and then the maximum value is 35. It can't go beyond that 5. That is a spin box. And then the next, I want to create a checkbox, but checkbox is in another library which I'm going to import. That is, I'll just say from Tkinter import themed tk. So that is ttk. Then from here I'll say checkbox equals to tk dot checkbox. Check button. Oh, okay. Check button is not inside the ttk; it's inside the tk, the Tkinter. So we don't need to worry about importing. I've just imported because of another one, the combo box, which I'm going to demonstrate in some few minutes from now. So here I'm going to put it inside the window. Then this check button, I'm going to create some variable there. You have to create a variable. Let's say I created a boolean var equals to that is tk dot boolean var. It's going to generate a boolean value on whether it's selected or not. And then here I'll just say variable equals to our boolean value there, boolean value that we just created here. And then for here again, I want to put a label. Let's say agree equals to tk dot label, and then I'm going to put it inside the window. Then comma, the text will be agree, and then I'm going to pack all of them. So I'll just say agree dot pack. Then be very careful for this case. You're going to let me see. We'll try. So boolean var dot pack. So don't pack the checkbox. If you pack this, it's not going to work because it doesn't have this specify this option. So let's pack it and see. Okay. Check button. checkbox. Okay, so what is it saying? The object has no attribute pack. Which object does not have attribute pack? Okay, it's here, the checkbox. Okay, so let's pack everything. Oh, I thought it is not agree. It's not going to appear. So you see, this is a agree, and then this is our check button. So it's there. So that's how we create a check button. And then let's go ahead and create a list box. So I'll just say options. I'll create an option for the not list box for the combo box. So I'm going to have options here like let's say male, and then female. So please remember this is a string. You have to quote it. Then prefer not to see. And then what you're going to do, we'll say the gender equals to ttk dot. You see, if I use tk.combobox, it's not going to appear. So because it's not inside the Tkinter, it's inside the ttk. So I'll just have a combo box into brackets. I want to put it inside the window, and then I'll just say the values equals to that is a option. It's going to generate the values in that list. Then before that, I want to put something here. That is want to put something here. That's gender label. Then equals to tk dot. Let's say label into bracket window, and then the text in this case it will be as gender. Yes, and then don't forget to pack all of them. So it'll say gender label dot pack, and then again we have gender dot pack. Then if you run the program, this is what you'll get. You can see gender and then the genders here, so you can actually choose them. In our next tutorial, we'll continue learning about the button widgets and so on.